It's it. It all good. All hair is good. We're talking on society. Water talk too. So we have what kind of society? It's a corner of Pepsi society. It's alright. It's a society. What we have, it's good society. We don't complain. We have Pacific telephone here, so we need to have some phone to communicate in the society. And this kind of like in a ground. Here we have another. On this side we have a storm drain. You want to concentrate and focus a little bit on this section, excuse me, just a little bit. So this needs to be cleaned immediately, this drain section, not even a clean, but to redesign, redevelop and remodify it and resettle here. It's very important for the stream of water. What else we have on this side? This side they have different corners, and we can, if we can now, after analysis, we can say the consciousness of the water react even what corner the water flows. This corner is the worst corner of this section because the water is very clogged here. Why? Because this corner has the water being indigrenated. So the ingredient has been changed and been mixed with the water and been provided to the public. It's called drink. Now, what kind of change of society? How is society works for you, but my brother? I'm not going to show many.
I don't know if I can.
How is society treating you so far? Sound. We have a sound. We talk. We have a sound. It's a natural way of communication. When you talk, you create sound. We also have many sounds effectivity here. Car driving and creating artificial sound. So we have a noise pollution. Okay, so we have to have more tools to create analysis for the noise pollution. Very important to this section of this area. Okay, so we want to concentrate to point it on some conditions what is exist, and what we literally do, we only point it on conditions it needs to be solved immediately. By talking by time, what we don't measure, you know. Yes, this road going on the top of the mountain. We stop measure our time. We stop measure our time, and we don't live in a time and space, but someone does. So in this time and space we will call time is March 16, whatever you can call months. March. What is a March is? And a date and a time. It's almost noon. We don't count but what we have. Okay, and after the visit, after our appointment and Economic Development Center, we had not find any support and assistance. So we asking if we have anyone who can assist us in our ground field work. That's what we do. If not, it's okay. We don't ask, but we have a need for this to be done, right? Somehow, somehow, right? We have to respond.
Sure thing.
Thank you. Any questions? Okay.
No.
Do you have any solutions? Maybe you can have already from the society what is in right now.
Solutions. Yeah. There's an infinite amount of solutions that can be done.
Yes.
Videotaping this?
Not now, but yeah, kinda yes.
No, we're not.
Okay.
No.
I'm stopping. Thank you.